These beautiful modern cabins are built out of modular units where two modules are joined together to create each unit, giving a total of 4 modular units. On the inside, the houses look spacious and well designed. There is a feel of warmth everywhere, with OSB boards used to cover the seams between the two modules and a good number of partitions on the inside. The exposed industrial ceilings are painted, and the kitchen is also given an interesting industrial finish, whereby the kitchen backdrop and kitchen backsplash. The house has got a spacious dining area next to the kitchen, big enough to sit 4 or more depending on your configuration. The entire house is well lit with big glass windows and doors that drenches the interior space with maximum daylighting. This modern living space is sparingly furnished. At the same time, you'll find the bedrooms are equally well done. There's a view of a day bed to provide extra sleeping space. There's a view of another bedroom with twin beds and a day bed that we had seen earlier with a TV for your entertainment and a glass window that lights up the space. All the bedrooms are well lit, just like the living spaces, with big glass windows for maximum daylighting. We have mini split systems mounted on the wall to enhance indoor thermal comfort, and the use of OSB for partitioning and cabinetry to create enough storage. Just like the kitchen spaces, the bathrooms are also given an industrial touch, using steel corrugated walling to create a waterproof membrane for the bathroom areas. This amazing finish is well executed to complement also the exterior finish of the house, which uses corrugated black steel lining to cover the two modules. There's also a big outdoor terrace that is ideal for outdoor dining and lounging, complementing the indoor living spaces. These beautiful cabins are modern inside and out, and they are all listed on Airbnb. Feel free to check them out using the links in the description below. Which part of these amazing modular homes appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you want to build your own container home and you have no idea where to begin from, worry not. We have done the heavy lifting for you. We've put together one of the best shipping container homes building guide on the market. This amazing book is well structured, using 14 detailed chapters covering everything from understanding shipping containers to insulation to understanding condensation, all the way to interior and exterior finishes. The book is well written, using relevant illustrations and diagrams explaining each step in great detail. And it also gives you for free one of the best floor plans by Shelter Mode. In addition, it covers a real case study of a shipping container getaway in the Caribbean islands. If you don't like detailed technical building guides, we have put together over 300 questions of the most FAQs about shipping container homes, such as how much does it cost to build a container house? Do I need permits to build my container home? These and many more 300 plus questions have been exhaustively answered. If you need further inspiration, we have put together over 150 custom designed floor plans of shipping container homes with various configurations from 1 bedroom to 5 bedrooms, multi-story to single story, and modern design. A manual for converting a shipping container into a swimming pool, a complete container home toolkit and equipment handbook for all the essential tools, equipment, and materials you need to put up a container home. We also have essential templates, checklists, work lists, and other additional resources you can explore using the links provided. If you have any question, send us an email through info@sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching.